tutorials. Kindly support us by watching the full videos. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will cover two more types of lines used in Autocad. They are polyline and multiline. Polyline is a type of line slightly different from the simple line which we covered in the last tutorial. The command for polyline is PL or Pline. As usual, we need to press enter after providing the command shortcut key. Make sure you are writing the commands and their shortcut keys, as I am explaining to you. Polyline will be created in the same manner as line, and the thing that makes it different from a simple line is that a polyline is a continuous line and is connected with each other, unlike a line is created in separate segments. This can be understood by creating two squares of same dimensions, one with the command line and other with a polyline, like this. You can identify a line and a polyline on this simple visual. A line contains three squares, two at both ends and one at the mid. While a polyline contains two squares and one rectangle, squares at both ends and rectangle at the mid. I hope the command polyline is clear to all. Moving forward, the next command we have is mline. A mline is a multi-line. As the name suggests, it's not a single line, instead it is two parallel lines drawn together. Understanding mline is a bit tricky and can be seen while creating a square of any value. I have used 200 as input. When we draw anything using the command mline, there is a specific distance between both lines. This can be adjusted using the scale option under mline. For this we need to provide command S after activating the multi-line command. So the command becomes ML, press enter, then type S and press enter. Now we are inside the scale option of multi-line. The default distance is set as 1, so we need to provide our required distance and press enter again in order to get it accepted. Now we can create a square of 200 with distance between line is 10 like this. As we have created a square using the command mline, we can clearly see an issue with the square as the ends are not perfectly closed with each other. Now in order to make sure the square looks perfect, we need to use another command known as multi-line edit. This command only works on mline. The shortcut for this command is mledit. Once we enter this command, we get a dialog box in which we have multiple options. For now, we will only look at the option corner. We need to select this, and then we need to click on two lines one by one, hence the corner issue will be solved. This covers both of today's topics. I hope this topic is clear to all, and in case you are facing any doubt, kindly drop any questions or doubts in the comment section. The next topic will be covering spline and X lines. After that, we will move on to the modification commands. Kindly subscribe to our channel in order to receive the latest updated videos and do press the bell icon to receive all notifications.